Welcome to the Preflight Checklist. Today's checklist is about why aircraft need to fly. Owning an aircraft is one of the purest expressions of freedom most pilots will ever experience. It's the ability to leave on your schedule, bypass traffic, and turn distance into something manageable. No red lights, no security lines, just runway, throttle, and open sky ahead. Whether it's a few laps in the pattern after work or a weekend cross-country with family and friends, aviation offers a kind of recreation that few other pursuits can match. Yet, the uncomfortable reality is that many airplanes rarely fly. Walk any airport and you will see them. Aircraft tucked into hangars or parked out on the ramp, covers on, tires soft, waiting for the next flight that never quite arrives. And the longer they sit, the more expensive that waiting becomes. These are the 5 things owners should understand about aircraft that sit unused. Number 1. Aircraft ownership costs continue even when you don't fly. Aircraft ownership comes with fixed costs regardless of utilization. Hangar rent, insurance, inspections, and subscriptions all continue whether the Hobbs meter moves or not. Many owners focus on the marginal cost of flying, but those costs are often small compared to the ongoing fixed expenses that continue while the aircraft sits idle. Flying the aircraft at least allows you to enjoy what you are already paying for. Number 2. Inactivity causes mechanical deterioration. Airplanes are machines designed to operate. Engines are meant to reach temperature and circulate oil. Seals remain pliable when exercised. Fuel systems stay cleaner when fuel is refreshed regularly. When aircraft sit unused, moisture accumulates, corrosion can begin, and systems degrade quietly. Unless an airplane has been intentionally prepared for long-term storage, inactivity is not preservation. It is deferred damage. Number 3. Small issues become expensive problems. Routine flying tends to surface small issues early. A sticky valve or a minor system problem is far easier to address when it appears early in normal operations. When an aircraft sits for extended periods, those small issues often compound. What might have been a minor maintenance item becomes a larger and more expensive fix once the aircraft returns to service. Number 4. Utilization tells a story to future buyers. When an aircraft eventually comes to market, utilization history becomes part of the evaluation. Buyers and their maintenance shops will look closely at annual hours and identify long gaps in operation. Even if the aircraft appears cosmetically clean, extended periods of inactivity raises questions about corrosion, deferred maintenance, and hidden issues that may surface during the pre-purchase inspection. Aircraft that have flown consistently often present better and inspire more confidence in the market. Number 5. Flying is the point of ownership. The final factor is the simplest. Flying is the reward. It is the reason owners purchase the aircraft in the first place. Regular flying maintains pilot proficiency, builds familiarity with the aircraft, and keeps the ownership experience enjoyable. When an aircraft becomes a tool for exploration rather than a static display, the value of ownership increases quickly. From our perspective, aircraft ownership works best when the airplane is used regularly. Flying keeps systems healthy, surfaces issues earlier, and preserves the aircraft's story for the next owner. Consistent utilization also builds pilot confidence and keeps the ownership experience aligned with the reason people buy an aircraft in the first place. An airplane that flies is typically healthier, easier to sell, and far more enjoyable to own. This has been the Preflight Checklist.